My guess is that you've been using your can opener wrong your entire life. Now, if you have one of those electric ones, good on you. I like to save space and I like things small and tiny, and I hate clutter on my countertop. But if you're like me, this is how most people open their cans. They take the blade of their can opener, they put it down here, and then they go around the side of your can, all the way around your can, and then you pull this off, and the problem is you have a very sharp edge. Very dangerous, muy mal. Do you ever wonder where we pick up these weird habits when it comes to everyday life activities, and we've been doing them wrong this whole time? So this is what you're going to do that will be faster and less dangerous, and you're gonna impress your friends and family. And they're gonna be saying to themselves, why didn't I think of that? So there's two parts of this can opener right here. We have the blade. You wanna make sure that this is on the outside of the can, just like so. Can you see? Turn it sideways, and you're going to squeeze nice and easy. It actually squeezes easier on this side of the can than the top of the can. And you're gonna rotate around. By the way, I'm excited to eat some of this pineapple. Thumbs up if you are a fan of pineapple. I also have a really fun pineapple hack I can link in the description box for you. There we go, my friend. Look at that. No sharp edges whatsoever, and you have your delicious pineapple. If you love additional food hacks, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.